Good morning, student. Student, today you will learn the multiplication of matrices. Student, let A is a matrix of order m by p. B is the matrix of order p by n. Since number of columns of A equal to number of rows of B are equal, therefore multiplication is possible. Multiplication of A and B is possible. Student, there is an important thing, we cannot multiply all the matrices. When number of columns of the first matrix equal to the number of rows of second matrix, means B matrix, then its multiplication is possible. Then the resultant matrix, let it is C matrix, its order will be m by n. Order of product matrix is equal to m by n. Students, let there is A matrix, its order m by p, and B matrix, it is like that A11, A12, A13 till A1p, A21, A22, A23 till A2p, and so on. AM1, AM2, AM3 till AMP. There are M rows and P columns. Then there is a B matrix. It is a B11, B12, B13 till P1. B1n, then B21, B22, B23 till B2n, and so on. Then it is BP1, BP2, BP3 till BPN. Student, when we multiply these two matrices, then resultant matrix is suppose C11, C12, C13, like that. Student, let C matrix is like that, C11, C12, C13 till C1n, C21, C22, C23 till C2n, and so on. CM1, CM2, CM3 till CMN. Student, now logic is, what about the value of C11? So when we multiply first row with the first column of B matrix, correspondingly we will multiply first element with the first element of B matrix, then A12 multiplied by B21, A13 multiplied by B, E31, and so on. A1P multiplied by BP1. Then we add all the elements, then that is the value of C11. So C11 is A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21 and so on plus A1P into P1. Student, that is the value of C11. Now C12 means it is the element of first row and second column. This element is obtained when we multiply first row with the second column. So C12 is A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22 plus and so on plus A1P multiplied by BP2. This way we will get this element A12. Student, to find the element C21, we will multiply second row of A matrix with first column of the B matrix. So we will multiply A21 into B11 plus A22 multiply with B21 and so on plus A2P into BP1. This way we will get all the elements. Similarly, if we multiply other rows and columns, then we will get all these elements. Students, this product is called row column product. It is row column product because we are taking the rows of first matrix and column of the second matrix. That is why this multiplication is said to be row column product. Student, now see one example. It is compute matrix 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2, then 2 minus 3 1 0 3 1. Student, let it is the first matrix A, it is the matrix B, it is the first row, it is the second row. First row, second row, first column, second column. Student, first of all, we will see the order of A matrix and B matrix. Order of A matrix is 2 by 3. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. B matrix of order 3 by 2. So the product matrix that will be of order C matrix, let it is 2 by 2 matrix. Student, let its elements are C11, C12, C21, and C22. Then C11, it is, we will write 3 into 2 minus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3. This is the first element, or we can say it is C11. Then 3 into minus 3 minus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 1. Then minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Then minus 1 into minus 3 plus 0 into 0 and 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Let's simplify it. So we will get, it is 6 minus 1 plus 9. It is minus 9 minus 0 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 0 plus 6. There is 3 plus 0 plus 2. So the answer is 6 plus 9, 15 minus 1 is 14, minus 6, plus 4 and plus 5. Student, this is the C matrix of order 2 by 2. This way we will multiply these two matrices.